All right, welcome to week 19. I hope you had a great 3-day weekend and you are ready to get back to work. So when you log into Google Classroom, you should see your assignment posted like this. Of course, there'll be this video here, but I'm currently recording it so you don't see it. All right, so this week, what you're going to do first is I need you to do this Google form first. So you'll click on it. It'll take you here. And I want you to tell me the definitions of these words in your own words, what you think they mean before we move on and before we do our reading. So the first thing you do today is you'll take this. It's only 5 words. You'll hit submit. And then when you're done with that, you'll go back to Google Classroom and you'll click here. Now, this time I've done it a little bit differently. Usually there's just one video for you to watch, but as I've seen, some of you are struggling with certain parts, and I think that maybe you're just not, you start the video and only hear me reading, so you maybe don't continue the video completely, or perhaps you don't think you need it read to you, so you don't start it, or whatever the case may be. I've decided that from here on out, I'm going to chunk up the lesson into little videos. So this will help for a couple of reasons. One, if you only need help with a certain section, you can only watch that video, but it also helps for those of you that can't sit down and do the entire lesson in one sitting. So maybe you can only do the questions first. So what you'll do is see here, there's a link, and this link will take you to, I don't want to hear my voice on a recording, so we're going to pause that, but this will take you to the reading, and I heard it anyways. So that will take you to the reading. So that first video under the purple here, you'll click on and it'll have me reading it to you. If you can read it by yourself, don't worry about it. Don't click on it and read it to yourself. Let me make this a little bit bigger for my eyeballs. Then next we usually do the questions. Now the questions, same thing. If you need me to read them to you or need hints, click on this video and it'll take you to a video just for the questions. Now, if you happen not to click on this video, because I can read those questions, no problem. Something I want to show you is this. Oop, if I can get it right. See how this circle right here is over C and D? This is something that you guys have been doing. Now, it's probably an accident, and that's okay, but when you turn it into me like this, I don't know if you pick C, I don't know if you pick D. So I need you to make it clear that you pick C, or that you pick D. Now, full disclosure, that was a complete random decision. I don't know if that answer is C or D. I didn't even read it right now. That was just me showing you that I want you to slow down, take your time, and show me what answer you pick. If you're taking the time to do the questions, take the time to make sure that I know what answer you're picking. Now let's get that back to where it belongs. There we go. So then, after that, here's a section down here that you, whoa, what did I do? There we go. Here's a section down here that you guys like to skip. I don't know if it's because you guys don't want to type, or if you don't see it, or like I said, maybe you guys just can't sit through the entire video, so you get to half of it and that's all you do and you hit the turn in button. So again, you'll click here, there's a video, and it just explains to you that you're going to go back through here and read these sentences and tell me what you think these words mean based off the context clues. And the context clues are the words or sentences around these words, okay? And they're bolded. And the instructions here says copy the 5 bolded words from the passage. I went ahead and did that for you. And then I took it a step further and see this yellow here. All of the words are highlighted in the same yellow. I hope that helps. And then we go to the purple word work section. Now this one is a little tricky. It takes a lot longer. So this one, I really suggest that you all watch the video. It is a longer video and I'm sorry, but it goes through these slides down here and gives you plenty of examples for how to complete this section. There's also examples of each of these words in those videos. So if you turn in something without those examples highlighted that I give you, I know that you're not watching my videos, and then I know that I need to call and talk to your parents because you're not taking your schoolwork seriously and I really need you to. Now, I know that this isn't all of you, and I know that some of you do amazing, and I appreciate that. But today is the first day of a new 9 weeks, so I want to start off strong. I know you guys can do it. So let's get to it, and let me know if you need any help. You can email me, and we'll set up a Google Meet. All right, guys, have a wonderful day.